This is a fire pit project that was made by a student that I've known and worked with since about 2005. He started out with a galvanized tub, which he first wrapped with cardboard. Then he started to spray the great stuff, the canned urethane spray foam, and embedding chunks of styrofoam. Then again sprayed more of the orange and yellow spray foam and put chunks into it until he built out the basic shape that he's after. You can see that he's carved some of the spray foam and the chunked foam to achieve his desired effects. Using the spray foam and the chunks is a great method, and it's easy to do, build out. The only thing, you gotta let it dry a little bit before you can carve it. Next, he started covering it with a fortified mortar mix as a base coat, followed by trialed on mortar texture mix, which he then paintbrushed with water and a paintbrush. All the surface is kind of knocking them down a little bit, and then let it dry. And then he did some carving to it, after which he then applied the hydro seal mixture and let that dry. Then he stained and sealed the unit and gifted the project to a close friend. He did send me a photo or two of the fire pit installed, but I couldn't use it for this video due to formatting issues. Building projects with this technique can be very fast, inexpensive, and durable. Again, the durability comes from the shell. He removed all the cardboard and the foam and discarded it, so there's a void between the actual ring and the rock, so heat is not an issue and long lasting. Dealing with this project made me think of a fire pit that we did. We called it Dancing Fire because there was a pond in the center of our rock, and there was a gas ring on the bottom of the pond, and it let bubbles come up to the surface where there was an igniter so that it would explode or light the bubbles, and it would dance on the fire would dance on the surface of the water. This was a block foam that was carved, covered with our high-strength fiber reinforced cement, and stained and sealed. In this picture, it's just gray hydro seal, but we also made some rocks. And then if you look here now, my son's holding up the lid that we made a cooler. Because it was styrofoam, it was insulated. We put a drain in the bottom to where you could drain out the water. But we've made all kinds of projects with fire pits and stuff. So if you need anything, give me a call. I appreciate you watching my video and subscribing to my channel if you like my work. And if you have any questions, my phone number and emails in the description area. You guys have a great day. Bye.